Video.
Okay, anak ko.
Oh, tulungan, tulungan.
Her name is Leah. A name worth remembering. Leah, a name for a woman so sweet. With gentle smile, her heart softly beats. Though with delicate sounds and tones,
Napaka-romantic naman.
she holds her feelings all of her own. Leah's gentle ways, her playful smile glows with kindness only true friendship knows. A reliable light, so pure, so warm, she brings calm to anyone in a storm. Lastly, Leah is daring yet always compassionate, a blend of peace and wistful cheerful life. Leah moves through life with loving care, a gentle, respected woman beyond compare. Happy birthday, our dear Leah, from Intervalley 7th Adventist Church.
Amen.
You're so sweet. Talagang sinabi na, wala rin galo-galo.
This is a part of different disaster.
Magbutom pa tayo. Okay lang. Thank you, anak ko.
Is it okay if I post this on YouTube?
Niluluto pa yung ating isang tao. Wala na kasi.
I have a channel.
Kayo bagay nag-snack man lang sa bahay.
Is it alright if our elder will be the one to pray for the grace?
Yes.
Niluluto pa yung ating